1. Currently available for purchase is an exciting project car, the 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, and its price is only $6,500. This car provides the opportunity to bring your ideas to life and become the creator of your unique automotive experience. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Camaro looks refreshing in a bright red color both on the exterior and interior. The attractive price makes it accessible for those seeking something special to bring their automotive fantasies to fruition. The seller describes this car as a project. Under its hood is a rebuilt 283 cubic inch engine paired with a restored 700 R4 transmission. The car's body is in excellent condition with sturdy floors, trunk, and frame rails. The frame has also been reinforced, adding durability and reliability to this future project. The new owner of this Camaro can expect to kickstart the restoration with already acquired new components such as carpeting, door upholstery, top dashboard panel, fuel tank, and fuel level sensor. These additional elements will help initiate the restoration and bring to life their vision for the interior space. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro is not just a car. It's a canvas waiting for its artist. For those seeking an exciting project and the opportunity to create a unique classic car, this Camaro presents a thrilling chance to embark on their own automotive historical journey. 2. Currently, a unique 1971 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is available for only $25,900. This car, with 2,000 miles on it, is equipped with a manual transmission, has a blue exterior, and features an orange interior. This Karmann Ghia has been updated and enhanced, transforming it into a true work of art. The car boasts a new, rebuilt 700 key engine, providing excellent performance. The interior has undergone a complete renovation, including a new interior, carpeting, and seats. The seller highlights that the car is equipped with modern technology, such as Bluetooth radio, ensuring comfort and enjoyment during rides. Additionally, noteworthy features include new tires and paint, giving this Karmann Ghia a fresh and stylish appearance. The car comes with a clean title and is ready for a new life in the hands of its new owner. This Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is not just a stylish car, but also a piece of art ready to delight its owner on the roads of Florida and beyond. 3. Currently, an exciting 1979 Pontiac Firebird Formula is available for only $28,500. This car has traveled 123,456 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and features a brown exterior with a beige interior. This 1979 Firebird Formula has undergone an interesting upgrade with the installation of a 6.0 LS engine with a mild camshaft. It's not just a car, it's a fully functional daily driver ready for use at any time. The seller not only invites potential buyers to learn more about the car, but also offers an immediate opportunity to test drive it by arranging a meeting. This allows the chance to see and experience the car firsthand, avoiding lengthy text-based inquiries. The car comes with a clean title, and according to the seller, it has no significant damages or issues. This Pontiac Firebird Formula is not only a stylish vehicle with a remarkable exterior, but also boasts a powerful and enhanced engine, ready for new adventures on the road. 4. Currently, a wonderful 1966 Dodge Charger is available for only $19,500. This car has traveled 65,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and features a white exterior with a blue-toned interior. This Charger, having passed through time and history, represents a beautiful combination of external magnificence and reliability. With only 2 previous owners, this car not only mastered many miles, but also demonstrates its reliability and a clean status. The seller emphasizes the good condition of the car, highlighting maintenance work done, such as the installation of a new battery, generator, and brakes. This underscores the car's readiness for further use and instills confidence in potential buyers. This 1966 Dodge Charger is not only beautiful on the outside, but is also ready to offer a pleasant driving experience, whether on the highway or as part of a collector's project. With a clean title and no significant damages or issues, this Charger would be an excellent acquisition for classic car enthusiasts. 5. Currently, a unique 1972 Chevrolet Corvette is available for only $16,000. This car has traveled 54,352 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and features a blue exterior. This 1972 Corvette T-Top Coupe is an excellent deal for classic car enthusiasts. It comes with a nominal 350 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, hydraulic brakes, air conditioning, and a tilt telescopic steering wheel. The car is ready for daily driving. New brakes, new tires, and a rebuilt transmission provide a reliable foundation for exciting journeys. The seller emphasizes the good condition of the car, noting the replacement of brakes and tires, as well as the rebuilt transmission. Despite some minor flaws, such as issues with the windshield wiper and headlight vacuum systems, this Corvette represents a wonderful offer for its price. This 1972 Chevrolet Corvette provides an opportunity to acquire a classic car with history, ready to bring its new owner plenty of driving pleasure and admiring looks on the road. 6. Currently, a stunning 1968 Chevrolet Camaro is available for only $33,000. This car has traveled 36,000 miles, is equipped with a manual transmission, and features a black exterior and interior. This 1968 Camaro, powered by a 383-stroker SB engine, is a true work of art with its black paint and interior. Featuring a beautiful camshaft, Muncie 4-speed transmission, 12-inch positive differential, and disc brakes, it provides not only power, but also control on the road. The car has several significant upgrades, including a new fuse block and all-new wiring from bumper to bumper. The electric motors and RS hideaway headlights have been replaced, new horns and retro-style Bluetooth radio with new speakers have been added. All gauges work flawlessly, and the interior is in excellent condition, including the headliner, carpeting, dashboard, and other parts of the cabin. The seller guarantees the quality of the work done, stating that all wiring, brake, and part installation work was professionally done by a certified mechanic, with receipts as proof. The car comes with chrome accents, a car cover, new air conditioner parts, and other additional components. Despite some cosmetic imperfections in the exterior appearance, this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro represents a reliable and stylish investment in classic car culture, ready to delight its new owner. With a clean title in hand, this Camaro awaits its next owner, ready to enjoy vibrant moments on the road. 7. Currently, a magnificent 1968 Chevrolet Impala is available for only $15,000. This car has traveled 63,135 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and features a black exterior. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala, presented in a sedan body, impresses with its presence on the road. The car starts and moves, comes with 4 sets of keys, and is equipped with a 5.0-liter 307 V8 engine. Several key parts have been replaced to ensure smooth operation, such as a new intake manifold and 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, a new distributor, spark plugs and wires, as well as a thermostat. This Impala has a spacious interior with front and rear seats and 6 safety belts. In addition to new wheels and tires installed in December 2023, the car is equipped with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission and drum brakes at the front and rear. The seller honestly describes the current condition of the car, noting that there are a few things that require attention. The new buyer can expect a few improvements, such as a new headliner, stop and reverse lights, new door/window/trunk seals, turn signal repair, a missing accelerator pedal, minor interior work, and a new antenna. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala offers an excellent opportunity to acquire a classic car that can be brought to perfection with minimal investment. 8. Currently, a unique 1969 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is available for only $18,000. This car has traveled 33,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It has a green exterior and green interior. This 1969 Cadillac Coupe DeVille attracts attention with its style and several updates that have made it even more appealing. The car features a new brake system with front disc brakes, a booster, and a master cylinder, as well as a new front suspension. Additional elements include a set of Jamco springs for a 2/3 drop, 20-inch Detroit steel wheels, color matching, a retro Long Beach radio, Galaxie 26X9 audio system, and other upgrades. The interior has also received attention, with updated seats, repaired armrests, and new carpeting. Despite some issues, such as the need for a carburetor rebuild, noise in the transmission in cold weather, and a minor oil leak, the owner has provided an honest description of the car's condition. Additionally, the sale includes some extra components, such as a key column, a spare headlight bracket, window and trunk seals. Although there are some issues with the air conditioner and minor rust on the front fenders, this Cadillac DeVille offers an exciting opportunity for those who appreciate classic cars with character. 9. Currently available for sale is the stunningly restored 1968 Ford Galaxie V8 convertible, and its price is only $27,500. This car impresses not only with its history, but also with its beautiful exterior and updated interior, making it the perfect focal point for true vintage car enthusiasts. Featuring an automatic transmission, a burgundy exterior, and a tan interior, this Galaxie possesses a special charm. This gasoline-powered car comes with a clean title and is fully paid off, adding confidence to its history. The seller proudly describes this car as a beautifully restored specimen. It is equipped with new carpeting, updated interior upholstery, as well as new tires and wheels. Under the hood, a new 390 Y-block V8 engine has been installed, with less than 5,000 miles on it, and the transmission has undergone less than 2,000 miles. Special attention is given to the Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection system, highlighting the technological advancement of this classic car. This not only makes it beautiful, but also convenient for everyday use. With a clean title and no significant damages or issues, this Ford Galaxie will be a splendid acquisition for those who appreciate style, performance, and history. It is ready to provide its new owner with a unique driving experience and unforgettable moments on the road. 10. Currently available for sale is the unique 1979 Buick Skylark, representing a true automotive artifact. Priced at just $4,000, this beautiful car is an attractive option for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. This Buick Skylark has traveled 112,500 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Its exterior features brown tones, while the interior pleases the eye with a tan color. Running on gasoline, this car has had 2 owners and is fully paid off, adding another positive aspect to its assets. The seller describes this car as reliable and sturdy. The car trunk remarkably retains its structure, reminiscent of a new car. All the original decor of the interior space is almost perfectly preserved. The seller personifies this Skylark as something like a Nova with a touch of Buick style. This rear-wheel drive car offers 2 options. You can leave it in its current state and enjoy rides with minor adjustments, or invest a little effort and turn it into a true next-level hot rod. Imagine this Buick Skylark with a powerful V8 and a resonant exhaust, adding an extra dose of passion to its appearance. However, even in its current configuration, which has been preserved for 45 years, it demonstrates excellent performance. This car is simply made to be enjoyed, whether as a collectible specimen or a source of inspiration for creative automotive projects. The 1979 Buick Skylark promises to be an exciting acquisition for a true vintage car enthusiast.